Welcome to Virtue Tales Club. Join Noah, Lily, and Lucas as they embark on magical adventures through Grandma Maya's enchanted book, discovering the power of kindness, courage, and wisdom. Each story brings a new lesson. So listen closely and see what you can learn today.
The Bridge of Courage. The air inside Grandma Maya's house was filled with the scent of cinnamon tea as Noah, Lily, and Lucas huddled near the fireplace. Outside, the wind howled, rattling the windows. "I don't think I'm brave," Lucas muttered, stirring his tea absent-mindedly. "Whenever I have to speak in front of the class, my stomach feels like it's twisting in knots." Lily nodded. "Yeah, I felt the same way before my piano recital. My hands were shaking so badly." Grandma Maya smiled warmly. "Courage isn't about not feeling fear. It's about facing it. Maybe the book can show you more." As soon as she spoke, the book on the shelf shimmered, and a golden light surrounded them. Before they knew it, they were pulled inside. The Arrival, the Forgotten Valley. The children found themselves standing at the edge of a deep canyon, surrounded by towering cliffs and mist curling around the jagged rocks. In the distance, they spotted a small village on the other side of a rickety wooden bridge swaying in the wind. An elderly man approached them, his face lined with wisdom. "You must be the travelers," he said. "Our village needs help. The storm last night damaged the bridge, and we need someone to cross it and bring back medicine from the healer's hut before nightfall." Lucas gulped. "Cross that? No way! What if the bridge breaks?" The old man nodded knowingly. "Fear is natural, but courage is not about having no fear. It's about doing what's right despite it."